All right guys, today's video I'm going to show you guys how to wrap the door cups on a 23 Honda Pilot Touring. So it's going to be pretty simple. Obviously you got to go ahead and wipe it down with alcohol. Always lift or open the door a bit and then wipe in nice and thorough. Then what we're going to do is we're actually going to prop the door handle open with another squeegee, and then we're going to install. Okay, so the first step in how I do this is I take a squeegee and I just prop it into there or into here, either or. This actually gives you a little bit more space. So you want to do that, you can. If you don't think that it works well there, do it here. Either way, it just gives you a little bit more working room in between here by popping the door handle open. And we're going to take our slip solution, spray some on there, a little bit on our actual PPF. We're just going to line it up. And I have just taken one of these bigger pink PPF squeegees and cut it to make this easier. You start one corner and then work from the middle to the other corner. I'm pushing it up with this one, but also putting a little bit of pressure down with this hand. There we go. We have installed door cups, or a door cup, in just a matter of a minute or so. You do want to go ahead and post heat that afterwards. That's how we do it. And just like that. All right guys, well, if that video helped you out at all, let me know down below in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't